Welcome to the assembly video for your new Broil King gas grill. Please use this video as a companion to your assembly manual. Now let's get started. Before starting, unpack all components of your barbecue and lay them out in your workspace. Use the drip pan to hold the contents of the hardware bag. You will need the following tools to assemble your Broil King barbecue: a number 2 and a number 3 Phillips or Robertson screwdriver. Step 1. Align the two side panels with the rear panel. Slide the rear panel into place and tighten the 4 screws with your screwdriver. Step 2. Turn the 3-piece cabinet upside down and install the base. Note the position of the tank cutout and the holes for the doors to ensure the base is installed correctly. Step 3. Attach the 2 caster brackets to the base and fasten with the hardware provided. The caster bracket has a slot that secures the base, making it extra sturdy once assembled. Here's a tip. The screws are tight to the edges in this step. A longer handle screwdriver is the ideal tool for the task. Step 4. Set the cookbox on top of the empty grill box and unpack the hose and regulator assembly as well as the igniter wires from beneath it. Attach the grease tray holder to the bottom of the casting with the screws provided. Route the gas hose through the L-shaped notch on the bottom of the cookbox assembly. Step 5. Lay the cabinet assembly on its back. Bring the cabinet assembly in line with the bottom of the cookbox and slide into place. Fasten the cabinet at the 2 front-most points. Attach the match light assembly to the bolt hole on the right side of the control panel end cap. Tighten using your screwdriver. Step 6. Fasten the gas hose bracket to the side panel using the 2 screws provided. If the grill has a side burner, route the side burner hose through the cabinet opening. Step 7. Install the electronic igniter. Begin unscrewing the cap and plastic nut. Secure the igniter body to the side panel using the plastic nut and install 1 battery into the igniter, then secure the cap. Please note the positive terminal and negative terminal markings. Connect the igniter to the electrode wires as indicated in the manual. Note, the larger connection points connect the generator to the igniter switch. The smaller wires are for the electrodes. Step 8. Install the door brackets and door magnets using the supplied hardware. Do not over-tighten. Step 9. Install the cabinet bracket. Use 2 screws to secure the bracket to the base and 2 screws to connect it to the side panel. Step 10. Install the tank bracket assembly with the hardware provided. Note the hole placement for the bracket. This piece retains the top ring of your propane tank to secure it in place once installed. Step 11. Install the handle on your door. Pass 1 bolt with washer through the door panel. Install the bezel and tighten partially. Repeat with the other bolt, washer, and bezel, and fully tighten both sides with your screwdriver. Repeat for the other door. Step 12. Prepare to install the cabinet doors. Insert a bolt through the base of the cabinet. Place a spacer over the bolt. And repeat for the other side. Step 13. Install the doors on your barbecue. Insert the upper door pin in the opening on the cookbox and align the bottom hole on the door with the bolt. Tighten the bolt to secure. Repeat for the other door. Step 14. Insert the wheels into the caster bracket. You will hear a click when they are fully inserted. Add the 4 black caps to the top of the caster bracket. Carefully stand your Crown barbecue upright. Step 15. Install the 6 remaining screws to secure the cabinet to the cookbox. Step 16. Attach the right side shelf to the shelf bracket. Fold up and lock in place with the locking tabs. Step 17. Attach the left side shelf to the shelf bracket. Fold up and lock in place with the locking tabs. The side shelves have been designed to fold down for easy and convenient storage. If your barbecue grill model has a side burner, be sure to lock it in the upright position. Step 18. The installation of the side burner hose is only applicable to the Crown 440 and 490. The Crown 420 does not feature a side burner. For a grill with a side burner, install the side burner hose by removing the horseshoe clip and inserting the hose into the burner tube, then replace the horseshoe clip. Connect the electrode wire to the pin. Insert the side burner trivet. Step 19. Attach the cookbox lid using the hardware provided. Ensure to clip the hinge cotter pins in place. Insert the 4 flavor waves cooking grids and warming rack. Ensure the rack is resting in the proper grooves. Step 20. Attach the grease cup into the grease tray assembly and slide it in place on the grease tray bracket mounted in Step 4. Step 21. The Crown 490 includes a rotisserie kit. Install the brackets with 2 bolts and wing nuts. Now slide the rotisserie motor onto the bracket. To assemble the rotisserie rod, thread the washer onto the rod. Put the counterbalance weight on the spit rod and secure it with the handle. Install the collar on the threaded end of the spit rod. Place the forks on the spit rod and tighten in place. Install the assembled rod onto the gas grill, with the open end going into the motor. Use your screwdriver to tighten the set screw. Step 22. Install the propane tank in your barbecue. Secure using the tank bracket assembly, and attach the hose and regulator with the tank valve facing the front of the barbecue. Step 23. If you have a natural gas grill, pull the hose through the back left circular opening on the side panel. You are now done assembling your Broil King Crown barbecue. Take a look over your grill to ensure everything is working smoothly. Now is a good time to register your grill by scanning the QR code located on both the box and the front of your Broil King welcome envelope. Or you can simply visit broilkingbbq.com/getgrilling. We'll provide you with the very best in customer support, recipe ideas, informative videos, grilling tips, and much more. Broil King. Great barbecues every time.